So I'm just going to kind of brush over the fact that it's been almost 4 years since I've uploaded a video to this channel. Hiya folks, welcome back to Beginner Drums. Lordy, the last time I posted, I just checked, last time I put a video on this channel was like June 2016, literally just about 4 years ago. And a lot has happened in that time. And I know a lot of you thought this channel was completely dead and I wasn't posting anything anymore. And actually, I've decided I'm going to bring this channel back to life. To give you a little bit of background, when I first set up the Beginner Drums channel and my Andy Mac Drums channel, which was coming on for 9 years ago, it was like 2011 or thereabouts when I was doing my first drumming uploads onto YouTube. So they're like really old channels, and when I put those together, what I wanted to do was build a training course to help people to learn to play the drums. And I started putting all the video content together and whatnot, and I really struggled to find a training platform for my website that I was happy with, and I tried loads of different iterations and I was just never particularly happy with the way it was going. To cut a long story short, it all drifted by the wayside. A lot of other projects started up in the meantime, but in the background I've still been putting my drumming stuff together, and my Beginner Drums site has been getting a lot of visitors over the last couple of years. So I decided it was time to pull my finger out and get that course sorted out, so that if you want to play the drums, if you want to learn to play the drums from scratch online, there's an easy to follow course just aimed purely at beginners to teach you everything from the ground up. And I've built it and it's done and it's live and it's there now, and I'm immensely happy with it and I'm very proud of it. It's taken a long time. You could say it's taken 9 years, but it hasn't really, because a lot of that time I've just been doing other things. But it has taken a huge amount of work to put it together. If you want to go and check it out, visit drum101.com. The training course, everything training course related now, is on drum101.com, and it's simply a structured, self-paced course to take you through learning the basics, the absolute basics of playing the drums. So I'm covering things like how to play your first beat, how to read drum music, how to play some simple rhythms. And in this set of exercises, we're really mixing everything up a little bit. So we've got short note groupings, we've got rests, we've got slightly longer note groupings, we've got more rests, we've got rests on beat 1. How to set up your kit properly, what else? Posture, technique, trying to cover some things about stick grip and all that. Every module has a quiz at the end of it, just to make sure that you're following along and you can test your knowledge. There's loads of video lessons, there's loads of stuff you can read through if you're just wanting a bit of kind of bedtime reading to study. On average, I would expect most beginners to take about 3 to 5 months to complete it, so there's quite a lot of material there to get through. Obviously, some people can learn faster than others and people are going to learn at different rates, but if you work on kind of a set of exercises per week, there's enough to keep you going there for, as I say, a good 3 months worth of lessons or thereabouts. So if that's of interest, get yourself over to drum101.com and you can get yourself signed up on that course. Anyway, plug over with. But in the meantime, I've decided I'm going to resurrect this channel and try and get some content out on here again, because as I say, 4 years since I last posted a video on here. And I'm going to start off by taking some of the content that I had on my Andy Mac Drums channel and moving it onto this channel, so that I've got all my drumming stuff in one place. And that means remastering some very, very old videos that I had from back in 2011, a few drum covers. But what I'm going to be doing with the drum covers is giving you an indication of what difficulty level they're at, because I'm always getting asked, how do you play this tune, how do you play that, and what are good tunes for beginners to play? And the thing that's difficult to appreciate when you're just starting out in drums is that you might hear a tune and think, oh, I really want to play that. And it's a challenging tune even for experienced drummers. So The drum covers that I'm going to start uploading onto the Beginner Drums channel, every one of them has a little difficulty indicator in the top corner from 1 to 8, or from B, which is B is absolute beginner, and then 1 to 8 roughly equates to grade 1 to grade 8 difficulty level on the drums. So you can get a kind of vague understanding of what sort of level you're at, or what sort of level you need to be at to play that particular tune. And I'm hoping that'll be quite useful. And there's a few other things I want to start uploading onto this channel as well that I'm hoping you will find useful. So as part of kind of tidying up this channel, I've been getting rid of a whole load of old obsolete content, like old grade material that's out of date and all sorts of stuff like that. Deleting a load of videos that were just didn't really need to be on this channel anymore. And in the process, I've managed to delete accidentally one of my best videos on this channel, which was my introduction to double stroke rolls. I'm absolutely gutted about it. It was literally, I can assure you, I'm equally as gutted about this. It was one of those kind of, oh no moments. There was no way back. I thought I'd clicked on one video and I'd accidentally clicked on my double stroke roll video and deleted it. So I will be re-uploading it. Watch out, it will appear back on this channel again. So as I say, watch this space. My sincere apologies if you were like in the middle of watching that video when it got deleted. It was my balls up and I'm sorry. It will be coming back, I can assure you. But anyway, in the meantime, I just wanted to tell you what was happening before random drum covers just started appearing on this channel from nowhere, or that you might have already seen on Mandy Mac Drums channel. But all of them are being remastered because, lordy, on Mandy Mac Drums channel they were in like pre-HD format. They were in before HD was even kind of invented, so they were in 640 480 resolution, like really bad. I'm still going to leave maybe 1 or 2 on the Andy Mac Drums channel just for posterity, because they were literally my first uploads ever on YouTube. But I'll be putting remastered versions of all of them onto this channel. But do bear in mind that they were recorded at a pretty low resolution, so I've only got so much I can actually work with. But I hope you enjoy them. I hope you find it useful knowing about the difficulty levels for all of the drum covers. And yeah, watch this space. But anyway, that's where we are. So much other stuff has happened in the last 4 years. It's difficult to know where to start. And at some point, I'm sure I will tell you. But for now, thanks for watching. Welcome back to Beginner Drums. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. Take care, folks, look after yourselves, and I shall see you next time. Tatty bye!